Alright, we're live. Good evening. It's been a few days since I streamed last. Still working on my linktree clone using the TRPC stack, or the T3 stack rather. I did a little bit of work the other night off stream where I set up the basics of a public profile page where we can look up the user by their @handle here, pull in their links and their handle here just as proof of concept. Earlier today while I was working on it, I set up the basics of the theme settings here in the database, put a few defaults in there. So what I want to work on tonight is actually pulling these values into that page and allow them to style it in a custom way. Let's see what's going on here. Alright, let's actually clear everything out. I think we have some issues with dependencies in the database. Sign in. Add a few links. Cool. Cool. All right. I'm checking the database again. We should be able to. Oh no, what's going on here? PG style. I did change the name of some of these recently. Let's see if I need to run a migration or something. Clear the database one more time and see if there's something going on here. I'm still very new to using Prisma, so when things break, I'm still kind of at a loss. And we'll sign up again. Sorry for the repetition. Maybe consider keeping this open. It's kind of annoying when you're adding more than one link for it to close all the time. All right, let's take a look at the backend code. Something's going on there. Okay, it's the client. Maybe I just need to turn things off and turn them on again. That actually might be it. Yeah, that was exactly it. For some reason, Prisma Studio doesn't pick up the changes from the schema changes until you restart the server. So we've just been twiddling our thumbs here so far. And I'm going to stub out a few UI elements here. Profile, link button. It's going to be a div. No, is that right? Yeah, for now it's just going to be a div. Oops. Let's do this actually. Let's hold off on that. We're practicing figuring out what this API is really going to look like here. for styling these variants. Solid rect, solid rounded, solid round. "25 pixels. And here they're going to be, let's do 8 pixels. Actually, let's use one of our values. Slate 800. Whoops, that's supposed to be a $sign. And we need to pull in styled. Okay. They don't have a container on them, so let's add a div here. Profile links wrapper. Oops. Okay, we'll add a max width on this of like, I don't know, 600 pixels for now. And we'll do the margin 0 auto. And up here we'll give some padding and some, yeah, padding, 1 rem, margin bottom. I forgot I have these handy shortcuts here, so we'll do that. Cool. Let's see if I can. Oh, yeah, I have to pass the variant in, and I'll get that off profile settings. Profile, and we'll add variant to button. What is it called? Button style? Button style. Oh, theme settings, not button style. Theme settings is undefined. Let's take this off for now. See if we're actually getting back those theme styles. We are not. Okay. Let's go check out the back end and see why that's happening. We'll have that there for get profile by handle. That should be returning something. handles, and then we'll turn the profile here. And then up here, we're going to log the profile. See if we're getting anything here. We are not getting a profile. If we come to profile, we can see we have theme settings. And they are related. I wonder why that's not working. Sorry, I know you can't see what I'm doing off screen here. Where we have another console log somewhere, and it's not working. This is what that is. I know what it is. It's on the front end, and it's us not passing back all the values here. I could probably destructure those, but I should. I'm going to. Oops, I guess I can just... And then, of course, add my commas in. What am I doing wrong? Handle has already been declared. You're right. Okay, so I am now getting... And I should be able to pass my variant here now. As theme settings, which I will probably destructure at some point, but style. What's going on here? Solid roundish. Did I? Roundish. Perfect. And if I change this to solid round, refresh, solid round, solid round. Oh, I didn't save it. Sweet. Okay. That was really the first bit of styling I've done on the profile page, and the first bit of theming I've done here too. I'm happy that worked out the way it did. What we're going to have to end up doing is relying on something called compound variants, but for now this is fine. It'll be button style that gets passed in the button style, and then depending on the combination it gets with other things, it might change more. That'll make sense later. Okay. Profile wrapper. I'll add something called profile wrapper just to give us some margin around. Another div. That should be profile wrapper. Cool. Not a whole lot needs to change here except for making these divs the links themselves. I think I can do that. I think I can just wrap this as a link. Cool. And we'll also make those display block. And I guess I need to consider a few other things. Text alignment, hover styles. I think by default we'll want them centered, right? Probably. And hover styles, I'm not worried about right now. Oops. Hover. Text. Decoration. None. Cool. That off the list. Oh. I have at least one more thing I want to do tonight, and it's kind of a user experience type thing. When you are signing up, no, I was wrong. Login. I want to merge the profile and the appearance pages so that the profile thing will appear at the top. Well, it already does, sort of as a placeholder. And this will be the place where you have all the options. Just select your button styles, the button colors, the background image, stuff like that. But I want to make it, now that I'm looking at it, it's not quite ready to be there. Some text right here that says the character limit and the character count as you type. See, we're half hour in. Do I want to? I've been holding off on doing this because I haven't wanted to do the image upload stuff yet. That'll be in two places, one for the avatar, and I'm not sure how I'm going to arrange this page yet. Also for the background image, so I guess it'll make sense to have those on the same page. I'm just putting that off. So what I guess I could do is button style, background style. I think I'm actually running out of things I'd like to work on tonight. That might just be a stream right there. Yeah. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Check you next time.